Hi, this is Rebecca Parr with New Horizons Insurance Marketing, and I'm going to be showing you today just how quick and easy it is to order Medicare Supplement supplies for Americo or Great Southern Life. To get started, just go to americo.com and click on Agent Login. Once you get to the sign-in page, you'll just put in your username and password, and that'll direct you to the Americo agent portal. From here, click on Products and Supplies, and then you can choose your product, in this case, Medicare Supplement. If you need to adjust the state, just go over to the Show Me Info For section here on the left, and you'll click the Edit button by the word States. As you can see, we have Illinois selected, but we could change that just by checking a different box or unchecking that and clicking Save. When you're ready, just click on the product. And depending on which tab you select, you can add different items to your shopping cart. So underneath Forms, that's where the applications are. Sales Tools has client brochures and a couple of other things. And Education and Training will have the agent underwriting guidelines. So just as an example, let's go to Sales Tools, where we will find the client brochure. And in order to order it, you would just click on the shopping cart here. I already have it in my cart, so I wouldn't be able to click it in this example, but it's really easy. Just click on that shopping cart. When you're ready, you'll click on Cart up in the top right side of the window. Here you can see everything that you've added to your cart. So if you need to order brochures and applications, for example, they would all show up here. And you can adjust the quantity between 1 and 10 depending on how many you need. When you're done and everything's adjusted the way you need it to be, just click Checkout. To add your address and to have it be your default address for future orders, you would just click this button, Add My Address. And that's pretty much it. Whenever you're ready, you would just click Submit Order, and a screen would pop up with your confirmation information. And just so you do know, it is shipped via FedEx. So it can take between 5 and 7 days for your supplies to arrive. If you have any trouble or have any questions, you can always call the Americo Agent Services line. That number is 800-231-0801. We here at New Horizons can also help at any time. Just give us a call at 888-780-7676. We also have a live chat feature on our website. You can always go to newhorizonsmktg.com, and you can chat with us at any time using the chat bubble in the bottom right-hand side of the screen. So I hope this was helpful. If you're not already contracted with Americo or Great Southern Life, reach out to us here at New Horizons and we'll get you all set up. Thanks for watching and have a great day.